Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across an error message on Windows Defender and it says runtime error 1297. Windows Defender has encountered a problem and needs to close. We are sorry for the inconvenience. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Windows Security. Best match, or go back to Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up. Go underneath Virus and Threat Protection. Select where it says Protection History. And then if you see any items in here that you want to allow and you're sure they are safe files, you click on the little drop down arrow and you would select Actions and then Allow. So that would be the first thing I recommend trying. Again, you'd want to make sure that these are false positives that are being detected by Windows Defender. You're welcome to search them on Virus Total online as well to check and see if they are perhaps being detected as a false positive. Something else I recommend doing as well, open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match. You'll come back with a command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select Yes. Now I will have two commands in the description of my video, guys. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's the System File Checker utility. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select Edit and paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video. It's a dism command. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it again, select Edit and paste that one in and hit enter. Okay, so once that's done, proceed to close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this point your issue with Windows Defender has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.